How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting issue on Android. In order to do this procedure or fix it, first thing you need to swipe down from the top of your Android screen to access the notification panel. Find the airplane icon located. Turn on airplane mode for a while, and after that disconnect it or just disable it, and this must be able to fix the issue. Or else what you can do is just long press on the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to, and then it's going to take you to the home page. Then here you can just go ahead and tap on the gear icon and then click on forget. Now as you do that, you can see that you're disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Now go ahead and manually type in the password and make sure to connect it, and after you must be able to connect to a following Wi-Fi network. If this is not working out, then you can also turn off your router for a while and restart it again, and that might be able to fix the issue. If that is also the problem, then make sure to check whether your network type is secure or not, or else you can also reset your settings. So for that, you need to go to the settings, and here you need to go to display, and after that you need to locate the option that says reset, and make sure that you have the recent option. Just click on it and then make sure to tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and click on reset settings located right at the bottom. Now all you have to do is just wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can fix your Wi-Fi disconnecting issue on your Android device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.